Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 12, algebraic expressions. That algebraic expression means where we use the XY, it means English alphabet. So that exercise 12.1, get the algebraic expression in the following cases using variable, constant and arithmetic operations. So that first one is that first part is subtraction of z from y. Subtraction of z from y. So y minus z. Subtraction of z from y. So y will become first 1/2 of the sum of number x and y. So half means 1/2 and then sum of x plus y. Third part is that the number z multiply by z. So z multiply by z, or you can write like this or you can write like this also, z square. Fourth part is that 1/4 of the product of number p and q. P and q. So that 1/4 means 1/4. Product of pq means pq. That is fifth part, number x and y both square and sum. Square means x square, sum means plus, and then square means y square. Sixth part, number 5 added to 3 times the product of number mn. Mn, that is 5 added to 3 times mn. That seventh, product of number yz subtract from 10. So that 10 minus yz, that means product is there. Eighth part, sum of number a and b subtracted from their product. A and b subtracted from that sum. That means, just wait, a b subtracted from, sorry, a plus b is also there, a plus b. And then question number 2, identify the term and their factors in the following expressions. Show the term and factor by tree method. So that tree method is, what is tree method? That see that x minus 3. So that tree is x and minus 3. X and minus 3, that is a tree method. And b part, 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. So that tree method is that one. That will become like this. You will be see now. Now like this, 1x and then x square. 3 factors are there. So we'll go to 3 step and then this one is also x square. So that will be x square. And then c part, y minus y square. Y minus, that is not y square, y power 3. So that y and minus y power 3. And then again we will see that in this 3 step, because minus y you can write here and then y, or you can write minus y. Similar thing is there, no problem will be here, because 3 times is minus is there. So one time you can write minus and another time no need to write the minus. D part, and you can write 1 also. If you don't want to write here that one, so you can write minus 1, no problem will be there. D part, 5xy square, 5xy square and then plus 7x square y. So that this will be goes in 2 step. That will be 5xy square, 7x square y. 7x square y then after that will be again move in 5x and then y square, or we can write this one y square in two way, that is also y, and then this one also in, that will be goes 4 step, that is a 7x x y, and then and then e part you will be do, or see that also e part, that minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square, like this will be goes minus ab, that will be 2b square, this is minus 3a square, and then again that will be goes in 3 part, that is minus 1 a b, and this will be go in 3 part, that is 2 and b power 2 means 2 time of b, that will be also go in many more time, that minus 3 a and a. Second, identify term and factor in the expression given below. This is the first part. Second part is that second part, first of all you will be write here expressions, and then you will be write terms, and then after factors, so that you will be made the table here, and then one more table will come here, and then how many part, a b c d e. So a, first of all a, that question is minus 4 a plus 5, that is how many term are there, 2 term are there, 2 term, that is a minus 4a and 5, so that will be minus 4a, and this is a 5, and then b part similarly you will be do, that question is minus 4x, and then plus 5y. So terms, one term is this one, second term is this one, so minus 4x and then 5y, so that is minus 4 comma x, and this one is 5 comma y. Then c part is that 5y plus 3y square, 5y plus 3y square, so that first term is 5y, second term is 3y square, so that is a 5 and 5 comma y, and then second part, that is 3 comma y, because y is given 2 time, that y square means 2 time, and then d part, that is xy plus 2y square, xy plus 2x square y square, x square y square, so that xy is first term, second term is 2x square y square, so that is x comma y, this is the 2 comma x comma y, because x is 2 time and y is also 2 time is there. And then e part, that is the last part, pq plus q, so that first term is pq and second term is q, so that will be p q and that is a q, and then you will be close that like this. This is the first term, d part, c, that is a, this is a dividing in this, like this you will be draw the question, okay. And then you will be see now next question is third question. Third question, that Identify the numerical coefficient of term in the following expressions. I have leave three part here, F, G, H. You can do that one. Identify the numerical coefficient of the term. So that will be third question. Similarly, you will be make a table like this before you have done that expression and then terms and then coefficient, that is coefficients. That is a first part. First part is that 5 minus 3t square. 5 minus 3t square. So that is a 5. No need to write the 5 because we are looking only coefficient of that one is. So where is English alphabet? You will be use that one letter only, that one term only. So that is minus 3. And then second part is there 1 plus t plus 1 plus t plus t square plus t power 3. T power 3. So you will be write t square t power 3. So here is a 1, 1, 1. Everywhere is 1. The first question. Second, and then third question is that x plus 2xy plus that is 3y. So that x 2xy 3y. So here is a coefficient is 1. Here is also 1, 1, 1. So we have written here 1. So that is 1. No need to write the 1, and that's 2 is given there, 3 is also there given. And then next fourth part is that 100m plus 1000n. 100m plus 1000n. So that is 100m, and that next term is 1000n. So here is a 100, here will become 1000. And then fifth part we will see minus p square q square minus p square q square minus p square q square and then plus 7pq plus 7pq. So that minus p square q square and then 7pq. So that is a minus 1. Minus 1 is here always if nothing is there, and then 7. And then other part you can do easily, no problem will be there. See the sixth part also. Sixth part is that 1.2a plus 0.8b. So that 1.2a is a first term, second term is 0.8b. So that 1.2 and 0.8. This is the coefficient. Other part you can do, no problem will be there. Question number 4a. That is identify the term which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So similarly you will be make the table, that is a expressions term with x, expressions term with x with x, and then that is the coefficient of x. That is the first part. This given y square x plus y, y square plus y square x plus y. Yes. So here a two term, one term is, second term is this one. In this term there is given the x. So y square x. So it means we are finding the coefficient of x. So we will leave the x and then other thing we will be write here. This is the answer. And then second question is that 3y square minus 8yz. So that is second part 13y square, sorry, 13y square minus 8xy, 8yx. So in this term there is given 8yx, x is given there. So that is minus 8y, minus 8y will be answer. And then third part, similarly you can do, no problem will be there. See that x plus y plus 2, x plus y plus 2. So that in this term is only x is there. So x, with x 1 is always there. So that is 1. And then similarly you can do other part, no problem will be there. Now the B part you will be see of this question. B part of fourth. Identify term which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Same thing will be here. So that B part you will be write expressions and then term with y square. Here is given y, so we will write here y square and then coefficient of y square. Coefficient of y square. And then after you will write first part is that 8 minus xy square. So y square with this term, so we will write minus x y square and then minus x is coefficient of y square. Second part of this, that is 5y square plus 7x. 5y square plus 7x. So that y square with them this one, so 5y square. So that is a 5 is coefficient. And then third part also see that because 2 time is given here, y square. First 2x square y plus 15 xy square and then plus 7y square. So 2 term are there here which contain y square, this one and this one. So that this will be 15x or this will be 7. Okay. Now question number 5. Classify into monomial, binomial and trinomial. See that if you have looking a one sign plus or minus, that is a monomial. If you are looking in your equation two sign plus minus or plus plus or minus minus or any two sign means plus minus any two sign, if you are looking, that is a monomial. So that first part, that you are looking here 4y minus 7z. So here a two sign, that's a plus, no need to write the starting that plus, one sign and two sign. So two sign is here, so that is a binomial. And then second part you are looking that only one sign, that plus, so that is a monomial. Okay, and then third part you are looking that x plus y minus xy, three sign, 1 2 3, so that is a trinomial. Okay, and then other part you can do easily, no problem will be there. And then 100 has only one sign, so that is a monomial. And then fifth part there are three signs, so there is a trinomial. Sixth part there is a two sign, that is a binomial. And then next part, that seventh part, two sign is there, so that is a binomial. Eighth part only one sign, that is a monomial. And then next, sixth question, state whether a given pair of term is of like or unlike. So that like term is very easy, that like term 100, 1 and 100, that's a like, because we can add or subtract of this one. That is a like term. Second part is that minus 7x and then 5 upon 2x. This one also we can add or subtract. We can add or subtract because x both variable are same. If the both variable are same, that means a like term. That is also like term. And then next that third part, that is a minus 29x comma minus 29y. So here we are looking the different variable. So that is a unlike term. We can't add or subtract of this one. So that is a unlike term. And then similarly you can do seventh question. Identify the like term in the following. Like term you have already here seen that is the first part. So that xy square minus xy square. Now you will be write the xy square things we will write here. So that is a xy square, that is a 2xy square. That's also same, xy square. And then other is not given there. And then now we are looking the minus 4yx square. It means this is the pair of a like term, and next pair of like term is looking here. Now we are looking x square y, and then x square and y also need here 20 x square y, and other is not given there. And then now we will see the x square thing, 8x square. So x square thing we are looking here, so that is a 11 also, minus 11x square, and then 11x square. Anything else also? Yes, minus 6x square. Right, next x square thing also we have taken. Now the 7y thing we will see that now, only y thing. So that is only one y is also there, y. Now y we have taken, x square also we have taken. Now the x thing, minus 100x, and then also see the x, where is given the x, that is a 3x also. These are the like terms. And then x thing we have also taken. Now the xy, minus 11 yx or xy is the same thing, no problem, it can be changed also. So that is a xy, 2xy also is there, 2xy. These two are the like term, 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 and these two are the like term. Similarly you will be do the b part. Okay,